Riverside Marine and Cycle, Miles City, Montana. We've got a 2018 Can-Am Defender XT HD8. Has a full hard cab, winch, 8-ply tires. They've got good tread, but they're a little weather checked. Has electric power window doors, tilt assist dump box, glass tip out windshield, heater, wiper, tear in the driver's seat. This machine starts, runs good. It's got 1,071 hours, 14,500 miles. Gonna take another video of this getting started up, drove around. If you got any questions, you could call us at 406-232-3300.